year on February 26th, Kuwait transforms into a sea of green, white, red and black. While we celebrate our National Day on the 25th, it is the following day, Liberation Day, that carries the heartbeat of our history. For students like us, it's more than just a day off from school. It's a day to remember our ancestors and the value of our sovereignty. Today, we look back at the 209 days that tested our nation and the morning the sun rose on a free Kuwait.
Our story of freedom began in the shadows. On August 2, 1990, Kuwait was suddenly occupied. But even in those dark months, the Kuwaiti spirit never broke. Ordinary citizens, teachers, fathers and students formed a secret resistance. They looked after one another, shared food and protected their neighbors. They showed the world that a country is not just its land, but the unbreakable will of its people. We honor our martyrs who stood firm during these 7 months of trial.
Kuwait did not stand alone. An unprecedented coalition of 42 nations joined hands to protect our right to exist. This was Operation Desert Storm. On February 26, 1991, after a swift and decisive campaign, the occupation ended. As the troops entered Kuwait City, they were met with tears of joy and flowers. However, the victory was bittersweet. As the occupiers fled, they set fire to our oil wells, turning our skies black. But even then, we did not despair. We worked together to heal the land and bring back the light to our skies.
Today, Kuwait stands as a beacon of peace and generosity in the Middle East. We celebrate Liberation Day with parades, February festivals, and family gatherings. But as we enjoy the fireworks and festivals, we carry a responsibility. We are the generation that must protect this peace. We remember the past so we can build a brighter, more united future. From all of us here at Indian Learners Own Academy, Happy Liberation Day! Long live Kuwait!